welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for October 15, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:03 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 6:10 p.m. The length of daylight approaches 11 hours. Today, the sun shines for 7 minutes longer than that hourly mark. No day from Chicago's latitude this year has that exact length. On the 17th and 18th, daylight is either a minute shorter or longer than that even number. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, that bright star in the east during morning twilight is Venus. It outshines all other star-like bodies this morning. The planet is stepping eastward against Leo's distant stars, 5.8 degrees below Regulus, the pattern's brightest star. The Venus-Regulus conjunction occurred nearly a week ago. Tomorrow Regulus passes the star Rho Leonis. Use a binocular to see the star's proximity to the morning star. Regulus fits snugly into the same field of view with them. Note Venus' location during the next few mornings as it passes Rho and moves away toward the east. Through a telescope, the planet shows a morning crescent phase, 46% illuminated. The planet is wrapped in clouds, so no surface features are visible with traditional telescopes. Farther westward, bright Jupiter is less than halfway up in the western sky. It is the second brightest star-like body this morning. The Jovian giant is retrograding, appearing to move westward compared to the background stars, 12.4 degrees to the left of Hamal, Aries' brightest star, and 11.3 degrees to the upper right of Menkar, Cetus' brightest star. The planet is over 18 degrees below the Pleiades star cluster. Watch Jupiter approach an imaginary line from Hamal to Menkar. It crosses that line on the 28th. Mercury continues its retreat into bright sunlight. It is not easily seen, rising only 18 minutes before sunrise. In the evening sky, just like Mercury, Mars is not visible because it is in bright evening twilight after sunset. It sets only 27 minutes after the sun. An hour after sundown, Saturn, retrograding in front of Aquarius, is nearly 30 degrees up in the southeast, 7.0 degrees to the left of Deneb Alchdi, the tail of Capricornus. Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish, is nearly 20 degrees below the ringed wonder. Saturn is in the south over 3 hours after nightfall. It sets in the west over 4 hours before sunrise and before Venus rises. Jupiter rises 55 minutes after sundown, and theoretically, it is visible low in the eastern sky an hour after sundown. The planet is bright enough to be seen when it is near the horizon. 2 hours after sundown, Jupiter is over 10 degrees up in the east. It is about halfway up in the east-southeast as the calendar day ends. Tomorrow morning the planet is in the western sky when Venus is in the eastern sky before daybreak. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.